Hello.
Hello there.
And you are?
I'm Ronald Villiers.
Ronald Villiers, right. And who are you with?
I'm with Widdicombe Pump.
Oh, right. Right. Now, did they tell you what we're doing here today?
They did. They briefed me all about it. It's about cartoons and that, isn't it?
Yes, that's right. It's a cartoon. It's Mickey the Mole and Sammy the Seagull, and you're auditioning for the part of Sammy the Seagull.
Right.
Now, I'll tell you what we're not looking for from Sammy the Seagull. You don't want him to be like Donald Duck.
All right.
Or Daffy Duck.
All right.
Yes,
Fine.
In fact, I've got a little... Just have that. What he looks
look
like.
at that.
Yes,
That's
with the
great.
big feet.
That's
and
for kids.
That's right, yes, and the beak.
Cartoon.
But you, as the artist, will be bringing your own voice to the character.
Right, my own voice. Right.
Yes,
That's fine.
So we'll have a little bash at it.
Right, well, no problem.
Well, another thing that's probably worth explaining to you is that Mickey the Mole is a little bit of a gangster type.
Right, he's a gangster.
Yes, he's a gangster type.
Right.
And Sammy the Seagull...
Right.
And Sammy the Seagull, he's sort of more of a... He's sort of naive and innocent.
And stupid, that kind of...
No, he's not stupid.
No, he's not stupid, no.
Do you want a glass of water?
No, I'm all right.
Right. Ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay, right.
Do you want me to in the microphone? Right.
Hey, Sammy, what's the weather like up there?
That's really good. Right. Absolutely pelting. Right. Here.
Right. That was a little bit camp.
Oh.
Yeah?
Right.
Just remember the great cartoons. The voice is always pushed to the edge.
Right.
Yeah?
You want me to do a cartoon voice?
Yes, cartoon voice would be nice. But don't hold back,
Just
Ronald.
make it up.
Just make it up and let yourself go.
Right up to the edge.
Right up to the edge. That's right.
Right up to the
That's
edge.
it. Right, we'll try again. Ready?
Okay.
Hey, Sammy, what's the weather like up there?
Right, that was a little bit like Smoking, wasn't it, from The Mask, the Jim Carrey film?
Oh, I've never seen that.
Yeah, well, it was a little bit... We don't want to use a catchphrase that's already had a lot of success.
Was
and
that his catchphrase?
Popularity,
Soaking?
Yes. No, it was Smoking. It's just that you did it in the same style.
Oh, did I?
Yes, you said soaking in the style of smoking. It was just...
Right, you want me to do it again? Right, I'm ready.
Hey, Sammy, what's the weather like up there? Absolutely soaking wet! Pelting it in!
It's all right, we're off. Thank you. Right. You did very well.
Thanks very much.
Thanks for coming.
Soaking wet!
Oh.
Pelting.